Ready to launch your business? Getting your employer identification number EIN is a must. It's your ticket to handling taxes and hiring employees. In just a few simple steps, you can get it hassle-free. Let's walk through the process together. So, hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to get your employer identification number. So the first step that I have to do is just dive over IRS. Then you click over the first website that appeared to you and in your browser. Then you'll find this page as you can see. So an employer identification number EIN is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service IRS to businesses for tax purposes. It's used to identify a business entity and is required for various activities such as filing taxes, opening a bank account, and applying for business licenses. So the first step that you have to do is just click over file here and you click over business and self-employed, or you can just click for apply for an employer ID number EIN as you can see. Also here we have other things that could help you. For example, here in the file we have other things such as information for individuals, characters, and non-profits, international taxpayers, federal, state, and local government. And we have other things such as fund for individuals, how to file, when to file, where to file. Then we have your popular, get your tax record, apply for an employer ID number, check your amended return status as well. So also we have here about payment, refunds, credit and deductions, forms and instructions. So this is it. Right now to get started you have just to click over here, and also we have this option. You click over business and self-employed and you will find this page. Here we have tax information for businesses. Alright, tax information, tools and resources for businesses and self-employed. You click over employer ID number, EIN, prepare. So once you click over it, you will find other page. Also we have here other options such as employment tax, estimated tax, like also foreign account tax compliance act, FIATCA. Also here we have other things. For example, business types, if you want to sole proprietorship, partnership, international business as well. Also, we have here other options: prepare your taxes, file or pay your taxes, run your business. So once you click over employer ID number EIN, you will find this page, which is this one, employer ID numbers. So here we have the information of employer ID number. So here we have the definition. An employer identification number is also known as a federal tax identification number and is used to identify a business entity. Generally, businesses need an EIN. You may apply for an EIN in various ways. And now you may apply online. This is free service offered by the Internal Revenue Service and you can get your EIN immediately. You must check with your state to make sure you need a state number or character. So you have just to scroll down here and you click over apply for an EIN online. Then you will find this page. Here we have the step that you have to follow. The first step is determine your eligibility. Here we have you may apply for an EIN online if your principal business is located in the United States. The person applying online must have a valid taxpayer identification number. As well, we have you are limited to one EIN per responsible party per day. Then we have the second step, which is understand the online application. Like here we have you must complete this application in one session as you will not be able to save and return at a later time. Your session will expire after 15 minutes of inactivity and you will need to start over. Then we have step 3, submit your application. After all validations are done, you will get your EIN immediately upon completion. You can then download, save, and print your EIN confirmation notice. So right now you click over apply online now and you'll find this page. Here we have the EIN assistant. So you have just to follow these steps, which is start your linking your information on identify, authenticate, addresses, details, and the last one, which is EIN confirmation. So Here we have what type of legal structure is applying for an EIN. So you have just to choose the type you are applying for. If you don't see your type, select view additional types. Here we have it. So for example, let's click in sole proprietor or partnerships, corporations, limited liability company or LLC, estate, trusts as well. Then you will find this page once you click over continue. So you have chosen sole proprietor here as I did. So I choose sole proprietor. If you choose partnerships, it will appear here. You have chosen partnerships or other things. So sole proprietor includes the individuals who are businesses for themselves or household employers. Read the descriptions below and choose the type for which you are applying. So I will just click over sole proprietor or household employer. So you choose the one you want, then you click over continue and you will find this page. Please confirm your selection. Here we have what is a sole proprietorship is a business owned by one individual, and we have other information here. Once you did it, you click over continue and you will find this page. Here we have why is the sole proprietor requesting an EIN. Choose one reason that best describes why you are applying for an EIN. You have to choose if it's started a new businesses, hired employees, banking purposes, changed type of organization, purchased active business as well. Then we have once you choose the one of this one, you can just click over continue and you will find this page. So this is authenticate. As you can see, please tell us about the sole proprietor. You have to write your first name, your last name. You choose you write SSN or ITAIN. Then you choose one of this. If you are the sole proprietor or if you are a third party applying for an EIN on behalf of this sole proprietor. Once you click over continue, you will find your full addresses. You have to link your personal information about addresses such as email address, phone number, zip code, or postal code. Then we have your details, then you get your confirmation EIN and you get your EIN as well. So this is how it works with how to get your employer identification number. So an employer identification number EIN is essential for businesses operating in the United States, serving as a vital identifier for tax reporting and compliance. Obtaining an EIN is a key step for businesses owners, facilitating various financial and legal processes. So this is how it works. You can just read more information to get started. And also we have here other options to understand the tools and applications that we have in IRS, news and announcements. Then we have also other options such as payment, refunds, credits and deductions, forms and instructions. You can just search for whatever you want, even though if you don't want EIN. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.